Stanford University.
What you see here is the hydrogen fuel is being injected, and there is a supersonic air that is bending it. What we are trying to do in this program is to develop numerical algorithms, physical models, to be able to accurately represent what happens in an actual physical situation. Here, what we're looking at is a classic problem in fluid mechanics, the transition from the quiet state to a turbulent state. Air around the vehicles flow in the atmosphere, oceanic currents, rivers, aerodynamics of aircraft, missiles, submarines, they all end up to be in a regime of turbulent flows. What you're looking at here is temperature fluctuations in the exhaust jet of a jet engine. The reason we can do these kind of calculations is advances in computer science. This calculation is probably one of the largest, if not the largest, engineering calculations ever undertaken. It was run on 160,000 processors simultaneously, and it took 4 days. These three-dimensional simulations, they are really like a fantastic microscope, allow you to go look at every detail. Understanding and being able to predict this phenomena have been one of the big challenges. It's not one number or two numbers that come out of it at the end of the day. It is all of these structures that you see back there, the richness of it. It is understanding that allows you to control, reduce pollution, improve fuel consumption, understand noise. All of these have to do with fluid mechanics.
For more, please visit us at stanford.edu.